Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Take your time, go slow with me. I want somebody to grow with me. Don't you know?
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sarah from Sarahswifestyle, and today I have a different video for you guys. I have a big boy room reveal for you guys for my son Oliver, so I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I will have items that I purchased linked down below. Some of them are affiliate links, but you guys already know the deal. I'm not going to give you guys anything that I do not personally recommend. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys are into mommy content, if you guys are into cleaning, any type of mommy makeover updates, anything like that, you guys have stopped in the right place. I have plenty of more room reveals coming up for you guys. If you don't know, we just purchased our dream house and we live out here in the sticks in the country and we are loving it. Y'all look at the land right now. Like, look how pretty this is. I know this has nothing to do with the video, but I just wanted to show you guys. Anyways, let me get off of that. But I will have my house tour linked up above. And please do not hesitate to like and subscribe. I'd love for you guys to be a part of this family. And let's go ahead. Let's get it. Let's go look at Oliver's room. Okay, guys. So I wanted to start off by showing you guys his door. Look how tall these doors are. These are all custom doors. These are not standard size. We absolutely love them. We're all super tall, so this just looks like a regular door for us, as it would to you guys with the normal door, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and pop in here. All right, you guys. I absolutely love this room. Let's go ahead and start over here with the bed. His bed does not look like this all the time. I made his bed and washed his sheets today. I wash him every single week, and he doesn't even sleep in his bed at night. He like starts off and then ends up with us at like 11. But yeah, so I got the sheets from Amazon, and I got all like the cover and everything from Target. That's his favorite stuffed animal. He's had that since he was born, so he loves it. He does have a pumpkin. So there's his pumpkin, and then there's his hatch. If you guys don't know about the hatch, it's a night light. You can control it from your phone. You can determine whether or not it's red, blue, rainbow, what type of white noises you want, all that kind of stuff. You can set it on timers. So that's the hatch. However, we ordered him an Alexa and an Echo. So the Echo came in, but we are currently waiting on the Alexa. We got it during Black Friday. Well, not Black Friday, but Amazon Prime Day. So it's taken a minute, but it'll be here like within the week, and then I will set that up and see which one we like better. I absolutely love these end tables. We got these from Wayfair. They look like lockers. So this one is empty in the inside, but over here we have obviously his pumpkin that he painted. It's so beautiful. Yeah, so we have his books in here. These are the books that we read. We have his Bible, everything. So yeah, we get it in over here. This is his bed. We actually purchased this bed from IKEA. It was super, it was like a great price. I forgot how much it was. We were like, oh my gosh, it's pretty cheap. So it was perfect. This is a full size. We got this rug from IKEA as well. We thought it'd be perfect. I was going with a more big boy theme. You know what I'm saying? So there also is a mattress underneath his bed, as you can see the fitted sheet under there. So when he has somebody spend the night, like one of his friends, one of his cousins, we could just pull that out, and then it's perfect. They can all sleep in here, which Ollie will still not sleep in here because he sleeps with his mom. And then I'm gonna come over here and show you guys his closet. So this is his closet. Let me give you guys one of these views over here. And so yeah, he has this right here, and they roll out. He also has a playroom right across the hall from him, and that's his room, and it has the same type of closet. But let me show you guys how I have his closet organized. And just in case you guys missed it, I did post a video of me decluttering and organizing his whole closet. I like to be extremely organized. So these are his school uniforms, and I have them all ironed, and I have them sitting there a certain way for a reason, okay? So like his ties, everything, sweaters. And then down here I have some extra hangers, and you guys look how good his closet looks with the wood hangers. He had like the white and the blue. You guys have to watch the closet transformation to really understand and see what a difference it makes. But I ordered these off of Amazon. They are in my Amazon shop, new purchases. So for the house, if you guys see anything in here you like, go check it out. So this is one of his shoe racks. On the top section, these are all of his school shoes, so he knows that, except, well, actually with the exception of his house shoes right there. So he can walk around the house with those. But everything else, they are all sandals, and like those Adidas and the play shoes, those are all play shoes on the bottom. So we have the school shoes, and he knows that. And what I do is in the morning, I lay out, or actually at night, I lay out his clothes. So whatever he's wearing the next morning, I will hang it out with the hangers, and it'll just be super easy. Let's look at the other side. Okay, so this is his other side. This is all like play clothes, normal clothes. So what I mean by that is these are not school clothes. So he can wear anything, you know, he's wearing uniform all through the week. So these are his weekend clothes, or when he comes home clothes. And he has his robe in there, and I keep any new shoes in the boxes over there that maybe do not fit him yet. So Adidas just had a sale, so I purchased him some new shoes for school when he grows out of the other ones, so I just keep those there. But I'm really loving this closet. What I think I'm gonna do is get 2 metal, what do you call those things? Not boxes, but you know what I'm saying. And just keep them up there for decor, because I wanna keep it very minimal. I love these blinds, you guys. They're the kind, they don't have any type of string. So if you guys didn't know, that's like a safety thing, right? So you just lift them up and pull them down with your hands. It's so easy, so convenient, and it's super safe, especially if you have children. So if you guys are building or in the process of building, definitely look. Okay, you guys, so this is the view. And you guys, I just look at this. He gets to look at trees, grass, animals. We have 2 pigs, so they're always walking around. I absolutely love this room. And yes, we still have the pumpkins up because he wants the pumpkins up, you guys. So I'm not going to tell him he can't. If he wants to mix and mingle holidays, that's on him. I just love him for that. We also have a cool little nightlight right here that he will use as well. And then let me show you guys this cute Christmas tree that I purchased from Amazon, you guys. And it also lights up. And it's just battery operated. Let me turn it on. So you guys can definitely see how cute this is. This will be so cute at night. This is like, he had so much fun decorating this, you guys. I will definitely have a link down below. This was under 20 bucks on Amazon. And I know for a fact that your guys' kids will enjoy this. This is just a cute little decoration to put in their room. He wanted to put this out in the living room. I was like, no, baby, we're going to put another tree out in the living room. But I just thought this was so cute. I had to share it with you guys. Right in front of his bed, we have this TV and this dresser. And in the dresser, we have tons of sweatpants. We have underwear, socks. We have tank tops. Well, not tank top, but what, like the wife beater type. Short sleeves. We have his swimming trunks. Anything like that, his pajamas, they're all located in there, and it's super convenient. He knows where everything's at. I cannot keep these drawers clean to save my life because he'll go in there and pick out his jammies, and then he'll like dig for the ones that he wants, and then it's all over from there. But he has an Apple TV in here. We love that. He's able to, you know, watch a show before he goes to sleep, or if he's having playtime. And then another thing I wanted to show you guys was this Wyze camera. So we are super big fans of the brand Wyze. I know I mentioned this in the beginning of my video, but this is a smart home, and they are about to release their what is it, the doorbell camera for this. So we're actually about to snatch that up. We currently have access to Ring, but we are switching to this. Okay, we want the Wyze. So then if you look up, you guys, I'm loving his fan. It's really, really cute. This is such a boy room. It's amazing. I don't want to have too much wall decor up here. If you guys can see this, I love this mousse. So I found this at Hobby Lobby and it was 50% off, but it definitely goes with the theme of his room. I don't want it super cluttered. And I know that you guys have probably noticed in this room that I don't have any toys in here. So let me tell you why. I don't have any toys in here because Oliver has a playroom, and his playroom looks nothing like this, y'all. It is tore up. Like, it's crazy. But he does clean it up when I make him. So I leave it alone, but I did tell him no toys in your room because what I don't want is a distraction when you're trying to take a nap. And I just want this place to remain like a very calm and peaceful place. So he can go play in that room and then relax in this room. And I actually learned that from some type of specialist, a parenting specialist on TikTok. So I love watching that type of stuff and, you know, trying to incorporate certain things in here. So that was absolutely amazing. Okay, so right here, this is his door, like when you leave. But I'm going to have Bryce put a few hooks right here because what I've been doing is I've been leaving his swim bag. So Oliver swims 2 times a week for private lessons because I don't know about you guys, but that is super important to us that he knows how to swim. I feel like that's a skill that all kids need to learn because you never know. I want to feel safe, and basically once Oliver is super comfortable, he's already learning breaststroke, so he can swim, but I'm still not 100% like, I feel 100% safe. So once I feel that and his dad feels that, we are actually going to get an in-ground pool at our house. So we are super excited about that, but we don't want to do it until he learns how to swim all the way. So we have him in lessons twice a week. We're not playing around. But anyways, I want some hooks over here kind of as like a mini command center. And I don't know if we would put them over here. I think that would actually be better. Or right here, but I want to be able to put his bags for the next day and anything else he needs for school right here, so he will know exactly where to go. Do you love your room, baby?
Yes, and I want you to open this.
How do you ask? So you guys, that's his room tour, but let's head over to his bathroom. I freaking love this room. Okay, you guys, so we're walking into his bathroom, which is located right next to his room and to his playroom. So this is it, you guys. So the first thing, I'm going to show you guys the drawers and everything like that. This stool is from IKEA. It's just a regular stool, but what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to have Bryce build him a custom stool, and I want to put his name on it. Just something to hand down to his children. So I thought that would be cute. But if you walk in here, you guys can see that I continued with the moose theme. This bathroom is super, like, I love it actually. It's super mature, right? This is a big boy bathroom. I didn't want to have all this extra stuff in there. I have a candle going, and I typically keep a candle in here. This is still a spring scent. I always like to keep a little candle in here. You guys will notice that his toothbrush holder is just a regular toothbrush holder. I think I got this from Target. And Oliver likes to have two different toothbrushes. He has one for the morning and one at night. That's just his preference. So if that's what you want, baby, that's what you can have. This is his toothpaste that he uses. He loves it because it has a dinosaur on it. Could you even imagine, right? And then we just have a regular sink. I have the Dial soap. We're really big on washing our hands in this family. I love how this is a really boyish bathroom, just with, you know, the mirror, the lighting, and everything. You come over here and there's this hook. These hooks, actually, this came with the house, and I always have these two towels hanging out, and they're both clean right now. So what I'll do is, he showers every single day or takes a bath every day, and I use one and then I wash it, and then the next day I use the other. So yeah, I will just change those out. I do not allow him to use the same towel more than once. It's a personal preference. I don't like the fact that bacteria can just sit there and do its thing. So that's not our preference. So that's why we do that. And over here, you guys can see I have the moose themed shower curtain. And like I said, if you guys wanted it, I will have it linked in my Amazon store for new house purchases. And actually, I might even create a link that you can click right away to see this. I love this. This is so cute. Here's his toilet. This is actually a really, really nice toilet. It isn't a smart toilet. So the one in our room, we don't even have to flush anything. We just wave our hand and it flushes. But as you guys can see over here, it's just very plain. He has his toilet paper, his trash can where you can use your foot to open it. I don't ever want anybody to have to use their hand to open a trash can because that's bacteria. And then I have this over here, this Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. I love this thing because it's disposable, so that's always a plus. So if you open this, he just has a very basic, well, not very basic, but just a tiled shower, really, really nice. And he loves this thing. He loves taking baths in here. I have his shampoo and his body wash located right there. And yeah, this is just a normal shower tile, but I do like how it has these little things right here so that you can put your soaps in there. So that's typically what Oliver will use, and a washcloth, but we don't use washcloths more than once, so that's why there isn't one in here, because he will get a fresh one. And then these rugs are just normal rugs. I forgot where we purchased these from, but I was like, this goes perfect because it's a dark color. It goes perfect with his whole theme. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how I have all this organized. In this drawer, we just have, you know, just two towels, his shark towels. Down here, I think we have some, yep, just some regular towels. I actually store some of our other towels in here as well with some washcloths. And then in this one, we have the cleaning drawer closet. And so I have my Clorox, my Lysol, my brush, my sponge, and some cleaning gloves because I don't like to touch the chemicals because it makes my hands hella dry. And so take it from me, it definitely does. You don't want to do that. But Oliver is 5, so I don't have to worry about him getting into this type of stuff. He has no want, and he never really did, even as a baby. So, you know, he's not really into spraying stuff like that, but that's where I keep the stuff. And this is only used in his bathroom, so like that brush is only used in here as well. So yeah, you guys, and that's actually, I used this sponge yesterday, and I'll use it a few times before I throw it away, and I just get those from the dollar store. In this cabinet, we just keep some towels in here. So these are just towels, just some extra towels, and then that he like takes to swim class and stuff like that. And then below here we have one of these, and this is just for anybody that's potty training. My sister actually brought this over when she was staying with us, and she left it here. So this is when they come over and the kids need to use the potty. And then up here, I have Q-tips, I have nail trimmers, and I have his gel, because I do put gel in his hair for school. I just think he looks so cute with it, and it just looks, he looks really like put together. And so I put that gel in there, and I got that from Cosmoprof or Salon Centric, one of those. And in this drawer, this is like an all-in-all. I actually need to get a little basket for this, but this is his rinse out cup. So after he brushes his teeth, he'll use that. There's his mouthwash, some extra toothpaste, some spray to spray his hair to get it wet, some lotion, because I do lotion him after he takes a bath or a shower. I want to keep that skin hydrated. This is his bath cup. So this is so that I can rinse him off while he's in the bath. His Baby Shark bubble bath, and then just some extra toothbrushes, you know, because he likes to have 2 toothbrushes. Always doing the most. And then here's some extra stuff. I actually need to put some more toilet paper in here, but tons of baby wipes, because you like literally have to have baby wipes if you're a mom. And plus, I'm teaching him young that when you use the potty and you go number 2, I want you to use a baby wipe, because we want to stay clean down there. So tons of baby wipes. So I also have some other ideas for this bathroom. I'm gonna have Bryce build some shelves above this and just put something cute on there. But what I don't want is, I don't want it to look too crowded. So maybe keep it very minimal and just, you know, maybe do 1 or 2, but nothing huge, and just maybe put some cotton balls in one. I don't know, I'll figure something out. But I think this bathroom is so cute, and it's definitely a big boy bathroom, you guys. I love this bathroom from him. It's conveniently located, and the great thing about our house is that this is his bathroom. So because we have an apartment on property, anytime we have guests over, they sleep out there. This is also, like if somebody were inside of our house, this is not the bathroom that they would use. They can, but this is not the bathroom they would use. We have a half bathroom like a few steps away from me that the guests would use. So my whole thing with buying this house is that I never wanted Oliver to have to share a bathroom with a guest when they came over. There's nothing wrong with that, but I look at this as his space, and so I would never want anybody to be in his space, if that makes sense. So yeah, you guys, this is his bathroom. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I am absolutely in love with Oliver's room. I just look at it as his place to relax, and it's so calming. It's exactly what I pictured. Obviously, there's a few more things that I want to put in there, just, you know, like a little command center for him, but look, my cat's over there doing the most as usual. But yeah, you guys, don't forget to check out my home tour and any grocery hauls or anything like that, because I have tons of those types of videos on my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I hope you guys are having an amazing Saturday. It's beautiful outside today, and I hope to see you guys in my comments. What was your favorite part about this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See y'all later.
Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Take your time, go slow with me.